Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here at Nuova Simonelli Musica, and this machine was brought in because there wasn't a lot of steam pressure and also it wasn't brewing enough water, and we found the cause of this to be the pump was partially at fault. That's why it wasn't pulling enough water through when you're trying to brew coffee, and the boiler safety valve and the vacuum release valve on top of the boiler weren't operating correctly, and so the boiler couldn't build up enough pressure, and that's why the steam wasn't working as well. The customer said that when you turn on the steam wand, it would be like a good little burst, but very short-lived and not sustained. But we've got it here working once again, so we're going to test it out. I'm going to pull a shot here. Got about 18 grams in this basket. There it is. Get the pressure building and the pour. Looking good. All right, that's gonna stop there at roughly 2 ounces. All right, now we're gonna do some steam. Nice and powerful, and we'll sit here a minute and just show that it lasts for a period of time. You can see, working good. And let's do the hot water while we're at it also. Alright, it started to sputter at the end, but you can hear that that's because the pump was running and trying to fill the boiler as it was letting out hot water at the same time. Well, there you go, Nuova Simonelli Musica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.